A High Court ruling has dealt a significant blow to the Kenya Kwanza coalition, declaring that it is not the majority party in the National Assembly. In a unanimous decision, a three-judge bench found that Speaker Moses Wetangula had violated the Constitution when he controversially ruled in favor of Kenya Kwanza's majority status. The case stems from an October 6, 2022, decision in which 14 members from various parties were reassigned to Kenya Kwanza, shifting the parliamentary balance in its favor. This move allowed the coalition, led by President William Ruto, to claim the majority. However, the court determined that the speaker had no legal basis for these reassignments and nullified the decision, effectively stripping Kenya Kwanza of its claimed majority. Speaker Wetangula had asserted that Kenya Kwanza held 179 seats, while the rival Azimio La Umoja One Kenya coalition had 157. Yet records from the Registrar of Political Parties painted a different picture. As of April 21, 2022, Azimio was composed of 26 parties, while Kenya Kwanza had only 15. The disparity in numbers cast doubt on the legitimacy of Wetangula's ruling and fueled accusations of political maneuvering. The judges, John Chigiti, Lawrence Mugambi, and Jairus Nga, did not mince words in their verdict. They criticized the speaker's actions as unconstitutional and stressed that his role demands impartiality. By favoring one coalition without justification, the speaker not only overstepped his mandate, but also risked undermining public confidence in the parliamentary system. The court emphasized that the speaker is meant to be a neutral figure, safeguarding the integrity of legislative processes rather than influencing political outcomes. This ruling has major implications for the leadership dynamics in Parliament. It could reshape committee compositions, voting patterns, and even legislative priorities. Kimani Ichungwa might be demoted to minority leader, with Junet Mohammed taking his seat as majority leader. More broadly, it raises critical questions about the independence of Kenya's parliamentary institutions. If a speaker's decision can be overturned in court due to political bias, it sets a precedent that could challenge other rulings made under similar circumstances. Beyond the legal implications, the verdict serves as a reminder of the ongoing power struggles in Kenya's political landscape. The fight for parliamentary dominance between Kenya Kwanza and Azimio is far from over, and this ruling may just be the beginning of further legal and political battles. As the dust settles, all eyes will be on Parliament to see how this decision reshapes its operations and whether it prompts further contestation from either side.